Alright, hey guys. This is just kind of a random one-off video, because there aren't many videos for a 2015 Nissan Versa Note. So, I figured, since I've gotten all my stuff working, before I install this, I'd make a very quick, short video showing some of the wiring, because I know it was a pain in the ass for me. But, let's see, also I'm using the ultra-wide lens on my phone. Let's see if this is a bad idea or not. But so, drive 2015 Nissan Versa Note S, hence the stick shift. I just recently installed Sony XAV AX100, if I remember correctly. Got off eBay, about 200 bucks. Also got a subwoofer installed and backup camera. So also got the steering wheel controls working on for the stock steering wheel. That was a pain in the ass trying to figure that out. But see, this is probably can't see shit here. But let's see. So, I'm trying to think, what should I go through first? Okay, also, or one thing, I got, see if it'll focus, I got a subwoofer installed in the back. So I got the subwoofer controller and the USB. The USB is for Android Auto. Using a Samsung Galaxy S10, so I use Android Auto, but it's been a pain in the ass trying to actually find a place to route that properly. So just today, probably can't see it. Oh, that's not too bad. So pretty much I just drilled a hole through here and used some super glue to kind of get it to stick. I drilled two separate holes and used a knife to kind of slowly, I guess, kind of file it down to where it's a nice snug fit. Got everything to fit properly. But let's see, I'm gonna start yanking all this shit out and try to explain some of this for those that, I guess the biggest thing I feel like people will probably be curious about is trying to get the steering wheel buttons working properly. And yeah, this is a pain in the ass for me. I got the Maestro, I don't remember what the actual product number is or product name is, because it came with the head unit whenever I got it off eBay. But so here's the stock wiring harness. Got the aftermarket wiring harness that connects to like 2007 and up Nissan vehicles. The annoying part, this is gonna be holy shit, this is gonna be an awful fucking video. Yeah, so to get the steering wheel buttons working, see if that'll focus. It probably won't, because I am doing this in such a terrible manner. See if it won't want to focus, but you have to cut into the stock wiring harness, which is a pain in the. There's only 3 cables. Let's see if I can actually show what they are. I can't, or at least not with minimal effort. Yeah, so you have to cut into 3 of the wires. 3 of the stock wires to actually get the steering wheel controls working. But the Maestro diagram is, like, online, is trash. I ended up having to use a competitor diagram and then cross-reference both just to figure out what wires I have to use. But hey, maybe I'm retarded. I don't know. Maybe you guys can do that first try, but I can't. So, yeah, so I'm going to go through this backwards, because I did not plan ahead at all. Let's see. What was this? Yeah, steering wheel controls routed to the Maestro controller back there. Got the wiring harness that comes with the head unit itself that I spliced into the 2007 and up Nissan vehicle connector, which goes into my stock wiring harness. This bundle here is just for the door speakers, which I have not changed yet. Here, that's the microphone. I routed the microphone just kind of through the vehicle, through the door panel, and it should be right there. See, next is the backup camera. That I don't know if I'll show that backup camera, but that shit's, yeah, that wasn't too bad. getting it through the door, through the hatch, that was the biggest issue. Subwoofer, I had to use a Y splitter because it has two analog outputs. Just a Y splitter to turn into one because this head unit only has one sub input. And then lastly, here's just the antenna. Fun fact for this, I don't know how many people will actually have any of these issues or wonder any of this information, but see if I allow me to fumble real quick. So I wasn't sure when I did this, but on your head unit, I believe this blue wire, here's a blue, it's the blue and white wire, I guess. This is your amplifier, your amplifier wire. And so I had to splice both. So one is for the antenna. The blue wire, blue and white amplifier wire actually connects to both your amplifier if you have a subwoofer or amplifier for your subwoofer. But you also need it for an amplifier for your antenna. So what I found out is antenna wire connects to this shitty little connector down here, and it has one blue wire, and it does not tell you what the hell that blue wire is for. And it turns out if you do not connect that to an amplifier wire, then pretty much everything you pick up on the radio will be really shitty. Really, you can't really hear anything. You might get some AM stations, but yeah. So you need to plug in that blue wire for your antenna into this amplifier wire that's built in to your head unit. And I'm noticing now, using this ultra wide lens, trying to get in close on anything is just not focusing, and it's really shitty. So I apologize, but yeah, I'll probably get like 12 views on this video in the next like 3 years, so hopefully no one will bitch about it. But yeah, that is about the extent of all the shit I did. You know what? Fuck it. Let's actually, I'll show you the rear view camera. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh, you probably shouldn't have shown that, but has a nice OEM look. But the biggest issue was routing it through here and actually getting it to the front seat, which was a pain in the ass. And as for the subwoofer, I didn't want to lose all my room in the back, having a hatchback, so I bought one of these divide and hide bad boys for like used, about like 60-70 bucks on eBay. Threw the subwoofer in the back, low profile, has a built-in amp because I'm a novice, a beginner, an idiot when it comes to wiring, so I didn't want to deal with that. But yeah, that is about the extent of it. So I guess I'll end it there. Thanks for watching. Ask any questions in the comments, and I will, if I'm not feeling too lazy, I'll try to answer what I can, because at the end of the day, this video probably was not helpful.